We made it to Boston.
We have officially landed in Boston, Massachusetts. We are sitting in our rental vehicle. This was a travel day, so we just got here, woke up super early, and now it is 1:33 and we are headed to our hotel.
And it's freezing.
It is freezing cold. Do have a fun day planned. Megan really don't even know what we're doing.
I don't.
She just goes with the flow. We're gonna go get checked into the hotel, maybe show the room, show our hotel, and show where we're staying. We're staying at the Whitley on Charles Street, and it's gonna be a great day. And we are celebrating our 10-year anniversary. That's what we're doing. We're on Newport. We're going to Boston, Newport, and Martha's Vineyard. And it's gonna be a fun trip. So stay tuned, and Megan's gonna capture some of Boston as I drive to the hotel. See anything this way? No, it wasn't. I was supposed to go that way. I can't even drive in this city.
It's like the third time.
This thing said go straight. I went straight. There's the Whitney Hotel. The famous Charles Street. Right? There's gonna be a lot of giggling going on.
This zoom in, it takes forever to unzoom, so it's like slowly going.
Are you trying to be cinematic and unzoom out of my face? Holy
It
cow.
got real close.
Just all in my grill.
Yeah, sorry.
We're a little early and the hotel is not ready yet, so we're just gonna walk down the street to a place called Harvard Gardens. Okay, like I said before, we got really interrupted by an ambulance. We checked in, but the room is not ready, so we are walking down to a place called Harvard Gardens. We're gonna try it out. We'll see, we'll let you know how it is.
Right with you.
We're leaving the Harvard Garden. We got the fish and chips and some pickles, fried pickles. What'd you think about it?
It was really good.
It was good? It was pretty good. So if you're on Charles Street and you're looking for a good little quick lunch place, Harvard Garden's pretty good. It was quick and easy, very good, fish and chips, but they do offer a large platter. So what we did is we split it and the waiter put it on 2 different plates for us. And 2 pieces each, and it was plenty of food. So we're gonna go back to the hotel, try to actually check in, and then go walk on Charles Street.
My apologies, I confused with somebody. Okay, it's okay.
I know, what's the deal?
Yes.
We're from Louisiana, and so we left, it was like 80, 90 degrees.
Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't think it'd be this cold towards, it's almost June now.
Yeah, I know, that's what we were thinking. So we're ready to, I'm ready to get my room so I can change and get a jacket. It's beautiful.
Where in Louisiana are you?
We're from Shreveport, Bossier City, so
Okay.
Shreveport, North Louisiana.
Okay.
Yeah, so not South Louisiana,
yeah,
not close
yeah.
to New Orleans or anything.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah,
We're actually closer to Dallas than we are New Orleans.
Oh, gotcha. Is that why you got the Mavericks?
Yeah, we're diehard Maverick fans,
Yeah,
man.
there you go. You
Yeah.
must have been a little upset with that trade this year, though.
Oh, I don't even want to talk about it. That's why I'm on vacation, is taking a vacation away from that. But they rigged it for us to get the #1 pick, so
Yeah,
we're
exactly.
good.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're all good.
Yeah,
Thank you, Commissioner.
Yeah, you should get Cooper
Flags.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah, we're gonna get Cooper Flag, and so we'll see.
Yeah,
We'll see.
you got
He's
it.
not Luka, but we'll get him.
You got Anthony Davis and Kyrie though too, so if they
yeah,
get
you better
Cooper
watch
Flag. Yeah.
Yeah. So we got
Celtics.
a bright future, and I know the Celtics beat us last year.
Yeah.
So you're a Celtics fan, I
I am,
assume?
yeah,
Yeah, Boston, gotta be.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful hotel lobby. Smells good. Oh, a little table area. I like it. Little restaurant. Oh, I see an espresso machine, so I gotta get some coffee in a minute. Look at the outside. Look at the outside. A lot of outside area. Wow, it is a pretty little hotel. The Whitney Hotel kind of feels like it belongs in a movie. You got the brownstones, the boutique. It's like you're stepping back in time, huh? It's like you're stepping back in time. Located right on Charles Street. It's exactly the kind of Boston charm we wanted. The history, walkable and beautiful, huh? And oh, there's a basketball goal too. Yeah, Beckham would love that. Look at this hotel. It is beautiful. Sitting right here by the fire. So if you're ever in Boston and you want a great hotel, I would just recommend the Whitney. Especially if you want a place where you can kind of walk around by your hotel, go eat. This would be the place. You want to feel like you're stepping back in history? I would highly recommend staying at the Whitney. We're just kind of waiting on our room to be made available. I mean, this hotel is amazing, bro. I'm definitely about to order me a coffee now. Okay, so she said they're inspecting the room. It'll be ready in about 5 minutes or less. All right, we're headed to our room. We got the key. We got the key.
You do want to tip?
Hello. Okay, when we first come in, here we go. Here we are. Oh, wow.
So cute.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Here it is, the Whitney. We're on the second floor, so that means we got right out of our window. Look at our outside our window. Cobblestones. Here's our bathroom. I mean, I'm assuming this will work, huh?
This is great. I love it.
I don't know why they got the TV.
It doesn't
We don't believe in that business.
doesn't feel like a hotel.
It doesn't. It's a little boutique. So here's a quick room tour. Obviously, it looks like there's plenty of space. It's just me and Megan. The boys would have been great in this room. They would have loved it. But great lighting. We got a view of Charles Street. That's amazing. Our view's amazing. We're right outside on the second floor, so it just kind of feels like you're almost like you're living in Boston. This is great. Again, the Whitney, located in Beacon Hill. One of the things when I was planning this trip was I wanted to make sure we were in Beacon Hill. It's one of my favorite districts in Boston, especially on Charles Street, because there's a lot of boutiques, shops, history, just beautiful cobblestone streets right outside. And so we're gonna go hit that in just a bit, go shopping, but I gotta get changed, put on a heavier jacket, because boy, it is actually really cold outside and misty. Here we are, and we are about to, this is day one, travel day. We're about to go shop a little bit, and then we got a great restaurant we're eating at tonight to celebrate our 10-year anniversary. So, we'll be back. Go Mavs.
Headed back out. Oh, thank you very much.
And remember, go Mavs, okay? Not Celtics, go Mavs. Right now, Megan is in a shop shopping in the boutique. I really didn't want to stop in there, but I just wanted to tell you really quick of what Charles Street is. It is located in one of Boston's most historical places, right here in Beacon Hill. And I don't know much about Boston. I don't want to act like that I do, but I have done some research as I was trying to plan this trip out. And so we're here on Charles Street. What is there to do on Charles Street? Well, the shop, there's a lot of boutiques, you'll see that, coffee shops. And at the end of Charles Street, that-a-way, it bumps into Boston Gardens, which is kind of makes this street one of the best routes and walkable places, in my opinion, to just kind of take in the history of Boston, but also shop, have fun, and grab some coffee. You'll see that we'll stop in some boutiques, you see we're gonna grab some coffee, and also you will see that yeah, we're gonna stop by Acorn Street, take pictures there. It is one of the most photographed places in our nation's history, really. And right there, I just see is a coffee shop that, of course, I'm going to go check out in just a second. Can I get a small Americano? Yeah. Let's get some coffee. Yeah. What'd y'all get?
We got hot and a nice daydream latte.
Was it good?
Yeah, it's not too sweet. It's nice.
Good.
I like it sweet. So
Yeah, that's my wife.
Oh,
Yeah. Boston's awesome, man.
Everybody's been so nice here.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Hey, this is pretty good coffee. One thing I love about Boston is that they really do such a great job at preserving the history of this town. Not really getting rid of any of the old buildings. They keep everything to its original core. And I love it. You just get so immersive in the city. And I'm just so excited to be back here with Megan celebrating a 10-year anniversary. We're going to this really cool bookstore, Beacon Books.
It's gonna be on the floor to your right.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so huge. Telling us.
Yeah, of course.
Adorable.
Oh, about Paige the squirrel? Okay.
So yeah, the squirrel I saw. Okay.
So this building was made 2.5 years ago.
Okay.
Kind of over the pandemic was when we were supposed to open, but it was stunted from it. But in that refurbishing of this old, like 300-year townhouse,
Yeah.
they found a squirrel.
Oh.
And now we created a narrative about it. So this is Paige the squirrel, and she comes in and out of this bookstore, her home. During the day, she goes into the common, and if you look behind you, there's a tiny red door. And that's her door only. Sorry, you guys. And if you go around the corner here, you can see her bedroom. And there's lights and books, and there's a little Harvard pillow. And there's also a stolen painting from the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Look.
That's so cute. Thank you so much.
Hey, these ones for you.
This is Squirrel's house.
Bag or tote bag today. Yeah. We have two options. This one. There's also one behind you. Poetry general interest, then it's fiction, and then there's a children's floor, and there's a button on the wall, and if you hit it, a train goes around. It's really cute up there.
Go see that.
Hi, you guys.
Okay, sweet. Thank you for coming. And then down floor is like.
That's our cafe.
Cafe.
Yeah, and they close around 4:30.
Okay.
So it's like 4:30 to 5:30 to prep for supper, but
Awesome.
they'll open up
Thank
after
you.
that. Yeah.
Look at this bookstore. This is amazing, huh?
Oh my goodness.
We're now on the 3rd floor. This is the kids' books, right? Young adults.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the window view.
Not popped up, but I just read this one that like the pages kind
Acorn Street with the amazing cobblestones. You see the cobblestones? Look at that, it's amazing. Well, we went shopping now, and we went back to the hotel. We freshened up. Now we are headed off to eat dinner tonight at 1928 Beacon Hill. And so I'll show you the food and stuff in the restaurant when we get there. But we are excited, celebrating our 10 years. All right. I love you. Well, we just got done with dinner at 1928. I got the some sort of rib. Do you know what it's called?
Braised rib.
Braised rib, and man, it was. I can rave about that braised rib. That thing was so good. Oh my goodness, that rib was so good. And Megan got the filet mignon. It was fantastic. If you're ever in the area and you want a good date night, go to 1928 Beacon Hill. Fantastic dinner. All right, we'll see y'all probably tomorrow. It's gonna be raining tomorrow, so tomorrow we have a food and walking tour, but it's supposed to be raining. We're walking back tonight to our hotel. But really quick, before we go, I want you to see how peaceful this little Charles Street is at nighttime. Isn't this amazing? Colonial. All right, well, we will see you in the morning.